Hi, Tom Rankin for Sense Study Group. Hopefully you had a chance to do the elbows on the knees ATM. This video will show you how to take what you learned from that ATM and apply it to FI. First though, let's see if you're going to work with FI in a sitting position, how you can kind of get yourself into a nice neutral balanced state. As we know by doing ATM, normally we have certain biases that we feel as we do our beginning scan, and at the end of the ATM, we notice that we release some of those biases and we tend to feel a little bit more neutral on the floor, a little bit more symmetrical. So there's something that we can do before we even start the FI to prepare ourselves. Just a little mini ATM. The idea is to feel your pelvis on the stool or the chair. Notice how evenly you're sitting on it, if there's more weight on one side or the other, how one foot contacts the floor compared to how the other foot contacts the floor. And then what you're going to do is just shift a little to one side, shift a little to the other side, and notice which side's easier. And then just go to the easy side a few times. Shift to the other side. Notice if that's maybe a little easier after you shift it to the one side. And then from your starting position, you're going to shift your weight to the one side, come back, and then shift your weight to the other side and come back. And pause when you get to your starting position and just notice how long the line is from your middle to the one position, in the middle to the other position. And slowly go from one side to the other side, noticing where the middle is, that center point between the two. And then gradually decrease the movement so you can find that balanced place in the middle that's not right and not left, where you feel evenly between the two. Now from there, we're going to find not forward, not backwards. So by tilting the pelvis a little one way and the other way, and first find the easy direction. For me, it's this way. And then I can go a little bit the other way. And then I'm going to find how long that line is from the starting position, tilting my pelvis back, and how much of the line there is tilting the pelvis forward. And then seeing if I can find the same amount forward that I can find backwards. And then going slowly through the middle, seeing if I can discover not forward, not backwards, but that place between the two. And now I can feel my sit bones on the chair, and I feel I'm more evenly on my sit bones, so I don't feel more on one side or more on the other side. I don't feel more forward, more backwards. So just by doing that little bit, I can find a more neutral position for myself to get myself in a better starting position to do the FI.